TMC. 1, 2, 3, TMC. Woo! Shit, Mars, we made it. Yeah. Hey, how's it going?
Any firearms?
No, sir.
You go to any lane 1 through 4.
Any lane 1 through 4? Alright, thank you. When you gonna take number 4, look shorter to me, sir. Or was this 5? I can't count. Got the mini whip. Can I get that YouTube with us, bro? That cage ain't got no bolts. What the fuck? Both bolts are out. I gotta figure out how to reset this thing, man. That's gonna suck if I can't use my GoPro. fucking woods and we're about to go get fucked up. All this, the 19th hole. It's a fucking party in here. Jesus Christ, boy. I'm gonna need some whiskey glasses. We got tables, chairs. Oh, hey, what are y'all doing over here? What y'all doing? What's going on over here?
Oh, okay.
Whoa, whoa, somebody touched me. To go behind the bar, let's see what they got over here at this 19th hole over here. Doors light. We got a couple bottles there. And I don't know what, TMC. But it's nice and warm in here. Check this out, we'll go back outside, show y'all what it's like. Looking like outside. It's a bar in here. We got everybody rolling in. Everybody rolling in. What's up, man? What's up, man? Come on in. Please shut the freaking door. And so, porta potties, we got all kinds of people rolling in. We got the TMC crew. Hey, hey, what's up, man? Hey! This is a parking lot. We're all fucking parked out here on the other side of this caution tape because that side apparently is muddy bottoms. And this side is apparently a golf course called the 19th hole, but you're allowed to come over here into the bar and drink. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, everybody just fucking parked. This is crazy, man. I've never been to another park like this. This is where we're sitting down in the beer, chasing my blues away. What are y'all doing in here? Yeah. Woo! Uh-oh. What y'all got going on over here? Fireball. Oh, shit. These guys trying to get fucked up. Oh, shit.